nigga to him, yeah. Turning my tracks to control out, ran the corner on drift, yeah. Left hand on steering, right hand with the black while I'm perfectly shift. Look like I came out the Fast and the Fury. The 4 on the race and the line of leg geek. Tapping my gas at the red light, yelling who on the race. I got that bag full of headband, finish most of the face. And if I'm hating, but it ain't no pressure like all of my ties, no. And they keep watching me, I'm finna bury the folks in the tag mode. YouTube, what's happening? 5 cent few back with some new. Hey, I know we got little mods on top of mods on top of mods. This just some, you know what I mean, cosmetic mod, you know what I mean? Spoiler king, for having all the good spoilers, you know what I mean? Window spoilers, or the back spoilers, you know, for the trunks. Just look them up and see what they got, man, you know what I mean? I went and got the extra large. I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on, hold on. I got the extra large version that match my spoiler on my back. You know what I mean? Y'all know the SRT spoiler. It got the little cut on the inside rather than just all the way around. I mean, all the way straight across, but sit the box on him for a little second. Let him get right. Say warm to be in, but I'm gonna go wash the car in a second. And I'm gonna sit it outside and, you know what I mean, with the box on top of it like it is right now. And it'll straighten out how I need it to. It got the 3M already on the back of it. I see 2 strips. You know what I mean? That's real 3M. I might just go ahead and put some the rubber adhesive onto it, you know, just to make sure it's fully secure. It's gonna be on the roof. I don't know about that. I don't know about putting that rubber adhesive. So I might just stick with that 3M right here, cause sooner or later I'm gonna get them wrapped. You know what I mean? I gotta get my hood rewrapped black, cause I'm gonna get the whole car rewrapped. So next week, I got the, matter of fact, I ain't even gonna tell y'all, man. I'm just let y'all see when it come, man. I'm just, you know what I mean? Just know I got stuff coming, man. All right, y'all. So I'm back at my boy Cuban house, man. Y'all see what's going on. Got my boy in the background. That boy got the spoil on the back of his shit, man. As y'all know, you know what I mean? This the one I was talking about, the one that go all the way across. So, I'm gonna show y'all mine. All right, so this one mine right here. Y'all see what I was talking about? The cut in the middle. You know what I mean? It kind of matched me. See what I'm saying? It kind of match.
Yeah, I feel like this one will match his more, cause you know what I'm saying. His one got the I got the wicker bell that, you know what I'm saying. That
go all the way across, yeah.
Like, yo, my boy, you went right.
Yeah.
You went with this one.
I'm gonna show y'all the installation, man. This is official. I got this off eBay too. Y'all can order it off the official website, Spoiler King website. But if you order it off eBay, I'm gonna tell you right now. You can haggle them folk down. You know what I mean? You can save you a couple dollars. You know what I mean? You save you about $40 to $50 if you haggle them folk down. But, you know what I mean? I'm finna show y'all the installation. You know what I mean? Very simple. Here go the little paperwork right here. Everything came with it too in the box. Here go the, you know, the alcohol white. And then, remember I was telling y'all about the rubber adhesive? It came with some. I don't know if I'm gonna put something on it. Cause I don't really, let me see. Where it go? So it go right here. So this the gap you were talking about you covered. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay. Alright, that's a bit. So I'm finna go ahead and install this, man. Let y'all see what's going on now. Yeah. I know feel. What the fuck going on, bro? Run this shit up so long, feel like I ain't got no leg no more. Chasing paper, get no sleep, don't need no bed no more. I just went and caught the stick, the dot red in the scope. I'm at that point, a nigga try me, I ain't sparing them folk. I don't need no Honda nigga claiming with me. Cause if it pressure, gon' push you know by myself. And the Honda bullet claiming with me. Bankroll 100s and 50s. Got a couple doors chauffeured in that motherfucker. Can't no label, I should've came up for rapping. More money, I start heavy. 19 off you, how like where's Zelmax? And I'm too plugged in. My folk not no texting, blowing gas, checking my phone, tracking the L pack. Got more bored than the jungle gym. Bet not come for him. Money the only thing that come for him. Can't nothing conquer him. Yeah, all these bitches on to him. They want some of him. But these bitches can't get none of him. Cause they need none of him. What if I say? KK choke these niggas too late. Top speed, took off on them on the two-way. Look, 220 hit me, this a new way. That boy got water, I'm feeling like Bobby Boucher. Now for real. Drop down in the chat if y'all like it, man. Drop down in the chat if y'all messing with it, man. Let me know. Let me know something.
Set it off right here. They gonna really
with that Spoiler King, yeah.
They gonna really set it off.
Uh-huh. Yeah, man. Y'all see what it's saying, man.
Right, man.
Uh-huh.